Hi kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we are learning reading, writing, small letters. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y and z. Okay, these also small letters. Okay, reading A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, subscribe to my channel.